Welcome to the Simply Finance Quiz, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. The Simply Finance Quiz is an exclusive inter-college nationwide quiz competition on finance, which endeavors to create greater awareness among our youth in matters related to savings and investments. This quiz also encourages them to develop healthy wealth creation habits from an early age. Last week, we witnessed the first of two semi-finals, in which, after a spirited and engaging battle, IMT Ghaziabad and NIT Rourkela came out trumps, qualifying for the grand finale. In just about half an hour from now, we will know who our other two semi-finalists will be. So welcome to semi-final number 2 of the Simply Finance Quiz. Let's move across and meet our 4 teams for today. At table 1, we have Sri Ramdeo Baba College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, represented by Anuj Agrawal and Samir Ramesh. At table number 2, we have Government College of Technology, represented by Ashwin Kumar and Vishnu Prasad. At table number 3, we have BMS Institute of Technology, represented by Siddharth Kashyap and Aranya Kinbasra. And at table number 4, we have Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, represented by Omkar Amrutanshu and Abhinav Thar. Those are the 4 teams. Round number 1 is called Simply KYC, or Know Your Client. This is a picture round, 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass. Fine? SRC OEM Nagpur, we start with you. All you need to do is identify this person.
Florence Nightingale.
Florence Nightingale. No. GCT?
Marie Curie.
He's just cross-checking and reaffirming, yes?
Marie Curie.
Sorry?
Marie Curie.
Marie Curie. No, not Marie Curie.
Pass.
BMS.
Pass.
Not trying. Oh.
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant. The hints are there. If you see the picture on the lower part, she's teaching a child. Okay? Ah, now you know it. Do you know the answer now? Maria Montessori. That's the correct answer. The hints I told you were there in the picture. None of you taking the hints. Sorry about that. First question, semi-final 2, a googly. Sorry, SRC OEM. GCT. Here is yours. All you need to do is identify the logo.
Syndicate Bank.
Syndicate Bank, luck of the draw, plus 10 to you. Coimbatore picking up plus 10. From Coimbatore, we move across to Bengaluru. Bengaluru, your question. All you need to do is identify this person.
This is Y.V. Reddy.
And who's that?
He was the finance minister.
Finance Minister?
I'm sorry.
Former governor of RBI.
Former governor of RBI.
Former governor of RBI.
Y.
But
Venugopal.
I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for Y.V. Reddy. You're absolutely right. Plus 10. As we move into the last question in the Simply KYC round, KIIT Bhubaneswar. All you need to do is identify the author.
Peter Lynch.
Peter Lynch it is. Well done. Absolutely correct. Plus 10 to you. So 1 round over. Here are the scores. All 3 teams, that's KIIT Bhubaneswar, BMS Bengaluru, and GCT Coimbatore, all on 10 apiece. SRC OEM Nagpur yet to open their score. Moving straight into round number 2. This is the Simply SIP round. This is a general round. 10 for a direct, 10 for a pass. Teams, are you ready? Here goes. Question number 1 coming up for SRC OEM. Which finance minister presented India's first outcome budget?
C.D. Deshmukh.
C.D. Deshmukh. No. Coimbatore.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Bengaluru.
P. Chidambaram.
P. Chidambaram. Bhubaneswar.
Arun Jaitley.
Arun Jaitley. I come back to Bengaluru because you were absolutely right. P. Chidambaram is the right answer. A wild guess getting you a plus 10 as we move into question number 2. What comes next? 10, 100, 1000, lakh, crore?
Pass.
Not trying. Bengaluru.
We're going with Sekra.
Sikra. No.
This is Arab, or also called Ayut.
Arab is the right answer. KIIT Bhubaneswar picking up plus 10. Good answer over there as we move on to Bengaluru. Which is the first Wall Street financial firm to issue an annual report?
We're guessing this is JP Morgan.
JP Morgan. Bhubaneswar.
Fine, pass.
No, I need to pass. SRCOEM.
Merrill Lynch.
Merrill Lynch, absolutely right. Plus 10. Well done. Fourth question. Now merged with Franklin Templeton, which was the first private sector mutual fund registered in July 1993?
This is UTI.
No.
It's Kothari Pioneer.
That's the second 10 on a trot that you have taken from KIIT. Absolutely right. Kothari Pioneer is the correct answer. SRCOEM, Nagpur, well done. Plus 10 to you. KIIT, next question for you too. Which term, frequently used in the dot-com business, originally comes from Broadway, where it was issued to describe people who provide finance for theatrical productions?
Angel funding.
Angel investor. I was looking for angel, not angel finance. Angel finance, angel investor. Absolutely right, KIIT. Well done, angel investor it is, as we move on to BMS Bengaluru. Who developed a practical stock ticker called Universal Stock Printer in 1869?
Dow Jones.
Dow Jones. No. Coimbatore.
Edward Callahan.
Not Kalan.
No clue.
No. KIIT.
We're going with Edison. Thomas.
Edison is the right answer. I don't know where you were. The others were on the wrong path. KIIT Bhubaneswar. That's a good plus 10 to you. As we move across to my right, Coimbatore, this is yours. In 2012, the first e-ticketing system was put in operation as a trial for visitors to which tourist site?
Taj Mahal.
Not the Taj Mahal. Nagpur.
Somnath Temple.
Somnath Temple. No. Bhubaneswar.
Ranthambore.
Ranthambore. Bengaluru. We are
Going
moving all around India now.
We're going with Red Fort.
You're going with Red Fort. Unfortunately, none of the teams getting the answer correct. The correct answer is Qutub Minar. Sorry about that. As we come to the last question in this round. Every year, the Lipper Fund Awards honors funds and fund management firms in more than 20 countries. Lipper is a subsidiary of which major multinational mass media and information firm?
CNN.
CNN, no. Bhubaneswar,
BBC.
no.
NBC.
NBC, not going with it. Oh, another one on the trot. No one answering. The answer is Thomson Reuters. Sorry about that, teams. A toughie over there, but 2 rounds over. Tension seems to be mounting over here in semi-final number 2. Before we go into a break, here are the scores. GCT Coimbatore on 10. Nagpur and Bengaluru, that's SRCOEM Nagpur and BMS Bengaluru on 20 apiece. But the team from Bhubaneswar, KIIT, sitting comfortable with 20 ahead, and they are on 40. Welcome back. You are watching the second semi-final of the Simply Finance Quiz, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. Moving straight into the third round. This round is called Simply NAV, or Net Asset Value. This is a multiple choice round. Teams, Nagpur, we start with you. Your 3 options: India, Indonesia, Italy. The term MIST, M-I-S-T, is used to describe the 4 biggest markets in the Goldman Sachs N11 equity fund. MIST stands for Mexico, blank, South Korea, and Turkey. Fill in the blank.
Indonesia.
You're going with Indonesia. Let's have a look. Plus 10, Nagpur, well done. As we move on to Coimbatore. Coimbatore, your 3 options are apartment, hotel, office space. Beating London's One Hyde Park in 2014, Tour Odeon in Monaco became the world's most expensive what?
Hotel.
Let's have a look. No, not the right option. You're now left with apartment, office space.
Apartment.
+5. Apartment is the right answer. I move across now to Bengaluru. Bengaluru, BMS. Here are your three options. JP Morgan Chase, American Express, Bank of America. The term cause-related marketing was first used to describe the marketing campaign for the restoration of the Statue of Liberty in 1983 by which of these three?
Bank of America.
By Bank of America. Let's have a look. No. You're now going for a +5.
JP Morgan.
Let's have a look. Not the right answer again. Sorry about that, Bengaluru. American Express was the correct option. Here are your three options, KIIT. Vanguard, PIMCO, BlackRock. Bill Podlick, Jim Muzzy, and Bill Gross founded which investment management company in 1971?
BlackRock.
You're going with BlackRock. Let's have a look. No, not the right option.
PIMCO.
Then you're going with PIMCO. That's the correct option. +5 to you. I know you were a bit confused between the two, but PIMCO gets you +5 KIIT. The next question in this Simply NAV round, also for you KIIT. Here are your three options. Employer in America, Chairman in America, Business School in America. The first cover story of Forbes was a competition to find the best what? Yes.
Employer in America.
Employer in America. Let's have a look. That's the right option. Well done. So 15 in this round for you, KIIT Bhubaneswar. Bengaluru. These are your three options. Passive, patient, poor. Fill in the blank to complete this Warren Buffett quote. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the...
Patient.
You're going with patient? Let's have a look. You're absolutely right, because that is what Warren Buffett also went with the active to the patient. As we move across to GCT, Coimbatore, New York Club, London Club, Paris Club. What is the name of the informal group of official creditors formed in 1996 when Argentina agreed to meet its public creditors in this city?
Paris Club.
You're confident? You don't need to look at the board because you're absolutely right. Paris Club gets you +10. Nagpur, can I see your smile first? That's better. Now your question. Fiscal cliff, credit crunch, money bomb. Which two-word term was used to describe the simultaneous increase in tax rates and decrease of government spending in the United States in 2013?
Fiscal cliff.
You want to smile now?
Yes.
Or after I say it's correct or incorrect?
I think it's correct.
You think it's correct?
Yes.
Smile a little more. Give a high five.
And it is incorrect.
Now let's go for the next option. No, you're absolutely right. Fiscal cliff it is, getting you a +10. Well done over there, Nagpur. We've come to the end of the third round in the second semi-final of the Simply Finance quiz, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. We'll move into a short break, and we'll see you on the other side. Welcome back. You are watching the second semi-final of the Simply Finance quiz, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. Here are the scores. After 3 exciting rounds, GCT Coimbatore is on 25, BMS Bengaluru on 30, SRC OEM Nagpur on 40, but the team from Bhubaneswar, KIIT, leaders from the beginning, are on 55. Moving into our last round. This is the Simply Trigger round. 10 questions, +10 for every correct answer, -10 for every incorrect answer. Are we ready to go? Okay, question number 1. The mutual fund industry in India started in 1963 with the formation of which organization? Coimbatore going for it first, your answer.
UTI.
UTI, absolutely right. Unit Trust of India. Coimbatore picking up +10. Question number 2. In March 1854, for whom did the British announce an annual pension of rupees 60,000? Going for it again, Coimbatore.
Okay. The
Answer immediate.
Zafar, last king of Mughal
Minus
Empire.
10. Minus 10. Minus 10. You are hesitating, but whatever your answer was incorrect. The correct answer, Rani Lakshmibai. Okay? And that is not what you were going with. Okay? Question number 3. Which company's global electronic banking system is known as Hexagon? Gone for it again, Coimbatore.
HSBC.
Plus 10 again. As we move into question number 4. Which famous logo was designed by a student named Carolyn Davidson for a fee of $35 only? Gone for it, KIIT.
This is Nike swoosh.
The swoosh of Nike, absolutely right. Well done. Plus 10 to you, KIIT. As we move into question number 5. Which group runs the largest mutual fund company in the United States with $3 trillion in assets under management?
Bridgewaters.
Not Bridgewater. Sorry about that. Minus 10 to you. The correct answer is Vanguard. Vanguard is the correct answer. 5 questions over. This is the second semi-final of the Simply Finance quiz. Let's look at the scores before we move into the last 5 questions. KIIT Bhubaneswar seems to be sitting pretty on 65, but there's a fight on for that second spot. Nagpur on 30, Coimbatore on 35, Bengaluru on 30. Question number 6 coming up. In 1668, which port did King Charles II lease to the English East India Company for the princely sum of £10 in gold? 5, 4, 3, 2, Bengaluru,
The Bombay port.
Bombay, or as we know it today as Mumbai.
Yeah.
Plus 10, well done, okay. Bengaluru, sometimes it pays to be adventurous, sometimes it pays to take a risk. Well done, plus 10 to you, 4 questions to go. Which is the only country to impose a tax on the amount of money a Nobel Prize winner is awarded? Nagpur.
Is it China?
No. Minus 10 teams. The correct answer, United States of America. 3 questions to go. Which document gets its name from the Latin word for sealed document? Oh, before I could give the options, yes.
Dossier.
No, KIIT. I don't know why you went for it, KIIT. The 2 options I was going to give you were bill or will. An ill with a B and an ill with a W. The correct answer is the ill with a B, which is bill. So sorry about that, Bhubaneswar. Minus 10 to you. 2 questions to go. Question number 9. Which Indian freedom fighter issued currency under the Bank of Independence? Nagpur.
Bhagat Singh.
Bhagat Singh. No, Nagpur. Sorry about that. Minus 10 to you. The correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Here it is. The last question, semi-final number 2. Members of a stock exchange who stand ready to buy and sell shares in which they specialize are called
Jobbers.
members of a stock exchange who stand ready to buy and sell shares in which they specialize are called, and I had 2 options for you, jobbers, lockers. Coimbatore, lockers is the incorrect answer. Jobbers is the correct answer. Coimbatore is the second team to go into the final. They will join KIIT Bhubaneswar, IMT Ghaziabad and NIT Rourkela. May I take this opportunity to thank Tata Mutual Fund for conceiving this unique and wonderful quiz. From all of us at Tata Mutual Fund, Z Business, and me, Andrew Skold from Derek O'Brien and Associates, goodbye, take care, stay happy, and remember, as I always tell you, invest wisely.